the hold on. So I don't have the beautiful PDF post PowerPoint that Michael usually makes. So stop.
Paging Dr. Freud.
Yeah, really. Okay, let us do the
I'm glad this is being recorded.
I don't have the really big screen that Minna has, so it's a little bit clunky to do this. Well, share. Okay, everybody can see that?
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, Beverly.
You want me to read that?
No, I want Beverly to call on people. Beverly, where are you?
I forgot I had muted myself. Okay, Henrietta, you can start.
Adria Lake Before I Go to Sleep was published in 1912 by Y.L. Yehuda Leib Kahan. Born in Vilna, he moved to Warsaw, where he attended weekly folk song recitals at the home of I.L. Peretz. He was prolific musicologist, folklorist. He later
Immigrated.
Immigrated.
Did we?
She's
Did we?
frozen.
What happened to
I think
Henrietta?
she's frozen.
She's frozen.
Oh.
I'll
Why don't
read. I read English. I can read the rest.
Please.
All right. I'll continue with. He was prolific musicologist, folklorist. He later immigrated to New York in 1904, where he continued collecting Yiddish folk songs. In 1925, he helped establish the American branch of the YIVO and was chosen to lead its folklore committee. He was instrumental in expanding YIVO's folklore collection and in 1930 returned to Vilna to train young scholars. He published several volumes of research and died in New York in 1937. Should I continue or somebody else want to read?
No, go ahead.
This is one of the labor songs that Kahan designated as part of the older workers' repertoire, in which the singer is an individual rather than the collective we of later songs. It is very much like another song we have heard, Der Kranker Schneider, the sick tailor, which laments the suffering of a Jewish worker, written in Russian by Shansky in 1920. Sung here by Isabel Frey, a singer and ethnomusicologist from Vienna.
Okay, Barbara Goldstein, you want to read?
Okay, I'll try. Einer ich leg sich schlafen. Before I lay myself down to sleep, you might say. Darf ich schon aufstehen? Darf ich schon aufstehen mit meine kranke Beine zu der Arbeit gehen? And as soon as and then I suddenly have to get up with my aching bones to go off to work.
Okay, what about Cookie? Do you want to continue?
I'll try.
Zu Gott.
To Gott will ich weinen. To God I will cry mit a grace gewein, with a huge cry. To was ich bin geboren. Why was I born? I
Neterin.
A lower.
No.
Neterin.
A neterin.
Seamstress.
What is neterin?
A seamstress.
What does it mean?
You know the verb nain, to sew.
Oh.
A neterin.
Like a tailor, so to speak.
Right.
Seamstress.
Yeah, I was born to sein. Yeah. To
Right.
be so.
Go ahead, do another 4.
Yeah, raise it up, yeah. Komm spät zu der Weg. No, I'm on the wrong. Komm spät zu der Arbeit. If you come late to work, es ist doch weit der Weg. It's a long way to get there. Schluckt man mir up. Oh, they hit him. They beat him. Var
Her.
Her. They beat her.
1 second.
They dock her pay.
They dock pay. Var halbe.
Beverly,
Dock a half
I
day's wages.
day's pay.
Okay, what's the matter, Marie?
I made all the
they
the
dock her
chorus
half a
repeats
day's
like
pay,
5
yeah.
times.
Okay.
So maybe we could skip over it because it's just the same as every other one.
Definitely. Okay.
Oh,
Elaine,
thank you.
Elaine, are you there?
Yeah, I am.
Can you read, please? They're
Die Nodlich?
Nodlin.
Nodlin. Sorry. Die Nodlin wären zerbrochen 15 Minuten. Die Finger wären zerstochen, rinnt von sie das Blut. So the needle gets broken 15 a minute.
Yeah.
And my fingers get stuck and the blood runs from them.
Good.
Right. Skip the next one and go to the next one.
Yeah.
Okay.
go here.
Ich leid ständig Hunger. Ich hab nicht was zu essen. Will ich Geld betten? Heißt man mir vergessen. So the let me just see. I'm suffering constantly from hunger.
Right.
I don't have what to eat. I have to beg. I want to beg for money, but I'm called. I didn't haste mir. I'm not sure.
Forget about it.
They tell me to get lost.
Oh, they
Yeah.
told me to. Okay. I got
How
it.
does that work?
Yes.
What
They
does
call
that?
me. Yeah, haste. How does? Yeah.
Oh, haste is call me. Okay.
Yeah.
They tell me. Okay, vergessen is to go away, right?
Or
No, to forget
No,
about it.
yes,
forget
it's to
about it.
Forget about it.
Forget
about it.
about it.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yes,
Thank you.
forget about it.
What?
Rafael, you want to say something?
Yeah, hasten has 2 meanings. It's the other meaning here. It can mean to be called, but it's not what it means here. Hasten means to command.
Aha.
They
They
command
command.
they command me to forget. In other words, they tell me
Forget
forget
Or
about
tell
it.
me. It wouldn't mean tell me.
No, they're telling her to forget about it. She's asking for
Yeah,
money.
but the word
Hasten.
hasten,
Hasten is what she's asking about.
Right.
they tell me to forget about it.
Right.
They tell me to forget about it.
Order.
Okay. Ezra.
Hey, Smith, yeah, they tell me to forget.
Yeah.
My father used that expression so often. Only like, forget about it.
In English.
Haste been there vergessen.
Yeah.
Okay. Do you want to have someone do the last chorus, or should we go?
Oh, well,
What do you want to?
Yeah.
Beverly, what do you want to do? Should I quit, or do you want to have someone do this one more time?
One
Ezra.
more time.
They can just read it. Don't have to translate it.
Yeah, go ahead. But Rafael, you want to say something first?
Yeah, if you try to make the words rhyme in the chorus, then
Yeah.
you need to use the Warsaw accent, not the Lithuanian accent, which is the Kahan was born in Lita, but he lived in Varsha, and I think he's using a Varsha accent here. Instead of saying Vainen, if you say Weinen, Gewein, geboren zu sein, then it's going to rhyme.
That's
And
right.
so
That's
you can
right.
try it that way.
You want to do it with the Warsaw accent?
No,
Sure.
I'll sing it with a Warsaw accent.
I thought that was a Galician accent.
Zu Gott werde ich weinen, mit der Gewein, zu was ich bin geboren,
Nähterin zu sein.
Oh, gewalt.
Bravo,
Very nice. Very nice.
bravo,
Nice.
bravo.
Okay, all right.
Who did that?
What's her name?
Janice Makovsky,
Yeah,
our,
Janice.
our
I blanked
fearless
her
leader
name.
from Allentown.
Oh, very nice.
Yeah.
Lovely, lovely,
We
lovely.
probably have every accent that you can come up with in this room right now. Okay, let us listen to how they do it one more time.
Beautiful voice. The woman has a beautiful voice.
Yeah,
done.
everybody
Shame
can
done.
see that. I'll make
Yeah.
it big. I really like this because it's got the words written
Just
out.
went to another song.
Oh, okay.
Change that.
I
Yeah,
love
it tends to
Edward
do that.
Frankel. I love Frankel. His multiple
tend to do that.
multilinguistic lyrics are great.
Come on, go back.
It looks like Isabel got married since the last time I saw something of hers. Has another last name on her.
Okay. Let's start. Come on. Okay.
Ich leg mich schlafen, darf ich so in aufstehen, mit meinen kranken Beinen zu der Arbeit gehen. Zu Gott will ich weinen, mit a Groß gewinn, zu was ich bin geboren, an Nähterin zu sein. Komm spät zu der Arbeit, es ist doch weit der Weg, schlägt man mir ab, fahr halbe Tag. Zu Gott will ich weinen, mit a Groß gewinn, zu was ich bin geboren, an Nähterin zu sein. Die Nadeln waren zerbrochen, 15 Minute. Die Finger werden zerstochen, es rinnt von sie das Blut. Zu Gott will ich weinen, mit a Groß gewinn, zu was ich bin geboren, an Nähterin zu sein. Ich leid ständig Hunger, ich hab nicht was zu essen. Will ich Geld beten, heißt man mir vergessen. Zu Gott will ich weinen, mit a Groß gewinn, zu was ich bin geboren, an Nähterin zu sein. Zu was ich bin geboren, an Nähterin zu sein.
Beautiful, beautiful. I know most of you know Fiddler on the Roof when he comes with his sewing machine in the play. Well, I remember when my parents made the sewing machine electric because they had a thing on the bottom that they, with the feet. And I remember what?
The sewing machine. I did that.
It had a pedal on them.
Pedal.
A treadle, I think it's called.
And I remember when my parents, it was such an exciting time in the house that they made the sewing machine into a, and I have that sewing machine in my house. We never gave it away.
You can sew even if the electricity goes out.
That's the pedal. Okay, anyway, do we have the story now?
Yep.
Question.
Okay.
Hold on, let me bring it up.
Well, Beverly, do you have the electric sewing machine or you have the one with the pedal?
Not the pedal, when they made it into the electric.
Oh, this was the electric one. Okay.
No, I remember my house was so excited, just like in Fiddler, how they're so excited when Muttle gets a sewing machine. My house was so excited that they got the electric one. It was like a big party.
My mother and father both sewed and made my mother out of a sheet. She made pillowcases out of pillowcases. She made handkerchiefs. Everything was and nothing was thrown away. But she gave it to me, and I electrified it. I used it for years, but now I can't see to thread it. But I gave it.
Okay, Barbara has her hand up.
I have a question with regard to the understanding of one of the lines in the song. It said that there were 15 broken a minute. And so I was wondering, I mean, what kind of a machine is that where you would be using 15 needles? It was confusing to me. So I thought, well, maybe it meant that she was docked 15 cents a minute or something.
It's 15 workers a minute. She couldn't break 15 needles a minute. It's 15 women around. That's what
The group load. 15 needles.
Oh, okay. Thank you. I was confused by that.
I don't know if I'm right or wrong, but that's
that makes sense though.
Yeah, because they showed the picture of the group.
Yeah. Thank you.
Mariv.
Yeah.
I just want to mention, if anybody's interested in finding out more about Yehuda Leib Kahn,
the
one who published it, if you go online to the Yivo Encyclopedia online, there's a huge article about his life.
Okay, before we get started, usually I can help Minna out if someone starts talking or gets on the phone or their radio goes on or whatever. I can mute them, but today I can barely see all the people. So please be very careful today that, if you start having a conversation in the background, please mute yourself, okay? All right, Beverly, you want to start off on?
No, well, I'm not sure what it says.
No, I mean pick somebody to do it.
Yes.
You are MC today, Beverly.
Ralph. Ralph, can you do it?
Okay. What?
Well, we need the next page.
A finger.
It's a distant relative, right?
Figuren. Figuren is like figures, like shapes.
Figuren, okay.
Anything else we should know about on the title?
Yes. Do you see the second word?
Ephraim at the top.
Ephraim.
Okay.
Kaganovsky.
And what's this?
Der Zählen, it's like tellings or
like a story.
Stories.
And this is about the publishing, 1937. Okay, and I can make this bigger. Hold on, I can make it bigger. Okay, can everybody see the whole thing? I'm not covering any part of it. Okay. All right.
Oh, good.
Beverly, pick somebody. I do not know.
Scroll back up for the title of the page.
I did.
There.
There. Sorry. Okay.
Who did I pick? No one knows who I picked?
Yeah, I did.
Ralph.
Ralph. Ja, Kräube. Ich bin mir gelegen auf mein breiter Kanapé mit a Vinkl in der Hand. I was laying on my sofa, sitting on my sofa, my wide sofa with a book in my hand. Der Oven is given heizt. The oven was already warmed. Ich hab mich geklebt trinken Tee. I picked up, I started to drink tea. Wenn mir hat angeklappt in der Tür, and I heard knocking on the door. In a minute, a room is gekommen the Dienst und gemolden. In a minute afterwards, the maid came out and announced, "Epis a Froy." It's a woman. A Froy, a woman. Jede Froy, was kommt zu mir, weiß ich von früher. I know every woman who comes to me from before. Ich weiß die Schuchen. I know the neighbor. I feel the even the minute, I feel the minute, the time when I see them. Ich hab heint keinem nicht der Wart. I wasn't waiting for anyone at this time.
Okay,
There's
let's
the word
let Rafael.
showing hours, not neighbors.
Sean?
Okay.
Is it? I thought it's Shochen, isn't it?
No, it's
That's what I
it
thought.
looks like a ches, but it's a hey. Shaw,
This
it's
one here?
hours from Hebrew.
Shane. Sean. Shane.
Oh, it's a hey?
I
Okay,
didn't know what
Shane.
they see.
Okay.
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 Are we ready to go
Look
on?
like a ches
Yeah.
to me.
Okay, how about Harriet Shanzer? Is she there?
Okay, I'm here.
Okay, good.
Okay. If I have to go, it's because the plumber's coming.
Well, you
Ich bin rein in Vorderzimmer. I went into the vestibule und wirklich ist dort gestanden eine Frau. And actually there a woman was standing. Der Strusch hat ihr noch getragen a valise. The super or the janitor brought her valise up after her. Noch eider ich hab Zeit gehad, wie zu erkennen, and before I had time to recognize her, hat sich der Gast Wurf getan. The guest flung Wurf getan auf mir. She flung herself on around me und Atemdicken auf mir mit Puder und Kelnischwasser and breathing on me with powder and eau de cologne, mir a kusch getan mit kalte der Freuer Lippen. Gave me a kiss with cold frozen lips.
Very good. Continue.
No, go on. Yeah, go on.
Oh, Minnie, are you there?
Yeah.
Nina's there.
Minna's here. Hey. All right.
How you doing? So
You want to take over?
Can you
go on.
sing? Okay.
Erst ist, hab ich erkennt die schöne Räsel. Just now I recognized the beautiful Räsel, meine weite Kräuwe von der Provinz, a distant relative of mine from the province. Ich hab sie halten dick unter den Arm. I held her under her arm, reingeführt zu mir in Zimmer, and led her towards me in the room, weggestellt ihre Sachen and put her things away. Und beim ersten Blick auf ihr, and at first glance at her, hab ich mich der Montan unser nicht der gangene Liebe. I remembered our unfinished, incomplete, unfulfilled love mit Joren zurück in the past, in einem Stellengarten, in the Städtelgarten, in the town's garden, mit Levona Nacht out in the moonlight, mit lange Spazieren, walking a while, mit gegandete Cushion, stolen kisses, mit aller gute Sachen, with all the good things, was gehen weg und kommen schon nicht mehr zurück, which have passed and not returned.
Beautiful, beautiful.
I have a
Yeah.
question about is this a male who's speaking? The protagonist is a male?
Yes.
Yes, apparently, yeah.
So it's turning into a romance.
Love
Yes.
affair.
It was a past
Raisin?
romance. We don't know what's going to happen now that she showed up on his doorstep.
Raisin is her name?
Rachel.
Razel. Okay.
Razel. A Yiddish name. Rochelle, you want to read?
Ja. Nachdem wie Raisel hat ausgetan den Mantel mit dem Hut, after Raisel took off her coat and hat und vernommen mein Arm auf der Canapé and took my arm on the couch.
Art, place.
Oh, okay, place. Kidei sie abzuruhen, so that she would rest, nachdem wie
Ihr.
nachdem wir ihr Rose Province.
Provincia.
Like province.
Oh, okay, her
Provincer.
Province Gesicht und die blühendicke Backen haben sich zerspielt von der Warmkeit. So her cheeks became rosy. She spread herself out, and then her cheeks became rosy from the heat. She was obviously frozen before she came in. Is mir erst geworden freilich zu gucken auf ihr. That's when I became happy to see her.
Okay. Do we have Ben Slavin? Can you read? I don't know who you are.
No, it's sure. It's Stella, but that's fine.
Who is it?
I'm new to the group. I just joined today.
Yeah.
Do you feel?
Hi, Stella.
Do you want to read, Stella?
I can try. I'm not as good as the others.
Don't worry.
I haven't read Yiddish in 42 years.
You'll pick it up.
Okay. Ja, Razel, the schöne Razel. Yes, Razel, the beautiful Razel. Aber sie kann schon nicht gucken, also wie amol mit a verstemmten. She doesn't look like she did before. Yeah, I don't know what that is, verstemmten.
Verschämten.
Verschämten, what is that?
Jawohl, mit
Modest.
Oh,
Shamed, I think.
Shameful.
Well, finish the sentence.
Verschämten, yes, shameful.
Right.
Ganvischen Blick.
Right.
Look. A blick is a look.
Stolen glance.
A blink.
A glance, a look, yeah.
Oh, a look,
Stolen glance.
A stolen glance,
Oh, what a sexy novel. I think he's hot from his kisses, not from the stove.
Can somebody do from Aber Z translated again? Because it got too many voices. It got very confused. Elber Z, somebody please translate from the beginning of that sentence.
Okay, Rafael is here, so please, Rafael.
Sure, we didn't actually finish the sentence.
I know, but...
Okay, aber, however, sie kann schon nicht gucken also wie amol, but she cannot appear as once she could, mit a verschämten genevischen Blick, with an embarrassed, stolen glance, was hat also viel zugesagt, which said so much, which promised so much.
Thank you. Stella, do you want to continue?
Yeah, sure. Sie ist geworden groß, gewachsen und reif und hat mir geguckt gleich in die Augen mit an offenes.
Offenes. It's a mem.
Offeness.
With an openness.
Offenem.
It's a mem at the end.
It's a what? Oh, a mem at the end. Offenem. Mit der offenem Arois Ruf.
Rufendick.
You're doing good.
Rufendicken. Arois Rufendicken Blick und gerät hat sie zu mir mit a Schweimschicken Gelächter. Okay, I think
Long sentence here.
yeah, I think I can do it.
So we start from Z, okay?
Okay. She was grown.
Became.
Oh, she became
big.
She became
big. Gross, big.
She grew up.
She grew up. And she looked straight into my eyes with an, what was that word? Openness?
Yeah, come hither look, I would translate it.
Now I don't know what that word is with an aleph. Openness?
No, to call out. That's why I said come hither.
Oh, yeah, so with the, come hither look. Oh, that's the word you said, is a come hither look. And she spoke to me with a
that's a hard one. I don't know.
Schweizer.
What does it mean?
I don't know.
It's hyphenated.
There. What's the word again?
Some kind of laugh.
Some kind of laugh. Some kind of I could ask my mom. She's much better in Yiddish than I am.
With a
have her come to this. Have your
yeah, I know. I
mom
tried to convince her. I'm going to try to convince her to come to that. Verdechend is like a closed, like covered chicken.
It can mean suspicious.
Oh, yes, suspicious. Yeah, suspicious laugh, maybe.
Okay, Michael Fissman, could you continue?
Elaine has a question, and I
can't see.
Yeah. My question is the word reif. It says groß gewachsen und reif. What is reif?
Mature.
Oh, so she grew up and is
cognate to ripe.
Ah, good. Thank you.
And ripen. Ooh. Okay.
Yeah, English is a Germanic language, so a lot of the words are similar.
You guys got to get out more.
Okay, Morty has his hand up. Morty?
You're muted.
You're muted. You're still muted, Morty. We can't hear you.
Okay, sorry. Yeah, I was thinking about the word Aroisrufendicken. I think in this case it really calls an attracting glance.
Attracting.
Yes.
You know, like calling somebody
like
her.
Flirting.
Yeah, flirting is a good word.
Provocative.
Yes, it means like calling out.
Arousing, maybe arousing.
Speak. I think it's speaking like her look was speaking out. Was like her the come hither look is just, I think, perfect.
I flirted.
I also found provocative and arousing.
Yeah. Flirting. Oh my God, it's getting sexy about a minute.
Okay, Cookie, you can leave anytime.
I will.
All right, new. We're on new.
Michael Fissman.
Okay, sure. Nu hast mich noch lieb, so you still love me. Bist doch gewesen in mir ein bisschen verliebt. You were a little bit in love with me. Nicht ein bisschen, not a little bit. Und ich habe mich gefühlt ein bisschen narrisch gegen ihre Frechheit. And I felt myself a little bit foolish dealing with her freshness. Ich habe Meure gehabt, I was frightened. Als ich bald mit der heucher, lachendiger Stimme reden wegen unserer Kuschen. And I was afraid that she would soon, with her high, laughing voice, talk about our kisses. Nur wegen dem hat sie nicht der Mund. But she didn't remind us about that. No, carry on.
Okay, yeah, and I have to move away for a second. I'll be right back. So no pointer for this paragraph, okay? I'll be right back.
Go ahead.
Go ahead, Mike. Go ahead.
Oh, go ahead.
Vinkl?
Yeah.
Okay, nog een avondbrood after the evening meal. Ben we wat opgered wegen allem und opgenomen Grüßen von Geburtsstätte. After the evening meal, when we had spoken about everything and received the greetings from the shtetl that we came from, the village, habe ich schon gewusst, I already knew as Razel is a erwachsene Frau, that she is really now an adult woman. Sie hat geredet wegen allem frei. She spoke freely about everything mit ein übertriebener Offenheit, with an exaggerated openness von einer Provinzer erwachsen Mädel, with the openness of a young woman who has grown up in the provinces, was wat moeier zu sein, opgestanden, who is frightened of being looked at as being a bit old-fashioned or primitive. She wants to be modern. Ich bin schon durchgekommen mit meinem Balaboster wegen geben Reisler einen Nachtleger in einem zweiten Zimmer. I have already arranged with my Balaboster, with the woman who owns the park.
The landlady.
With the landlady, thank you. About giving Reisler a bed in the second room. Die Balaboster hat geprüft wollen wissen, die landlady wanted to know wer das is, who is this? Efter taka color, perhaps really your bride, or the vibe, or the Gora vibe, or even perhaps she is your wife.
Karen,
Da, da, da.
Karen, can you continue? Gold, Karen or Carol? I'm sorry.
I have a question about the landlady. The landlady he had to ask her for her to stay at his apartment or room.
Yeah, upstairs.
Yeah.
I mean, is the landlady like he's renting a room from the landlady and they're all in the same apartment?
I think in those days it was proper that, like, if a woman was joining a man in his apartment, they had to know if they were.
Sure.
Maybe an extra tenant, they would charge more for an extra person.
Right.
Right.
Or they'd have to know how to arrange the bed situation or whatever.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, Morty has his hand up.
Yes, I think that in this context we have to remember he was probably a boarder in the landlady's house.
That's
and as a boarder, he had only one room. So he had to ask, first of all, to have the relative in the house and then a room for her.
Well, is it a relative? She's not a relative.
Yes, she's a distant relative.
Akroive means relative.
The whole story is about a distant relative. That's the name of the story.
Kroive in Yiddish means relative.
Okay. She was a fourth cousin once removed.
It's still okay to be romantic.
In Hebrew, karov means close, so that's why.
Yeah, but it also means relative.
Well, they were kissing cousins back then.
Very good.
It was very typical for my genealogy. It was very typical to marry a cousin.
Oh, yes.
I have several of them in my family tree.
Yeah, my mother just told me the other day that they would marry into the family, distant cousins, like third or fourth was okay, second, of course, not. but third or fourth was okay because you knew the family, so you didn't have to worry that someone came from afar and they were a shyster or a murderer or something like that.
And they knew each other. They probably grow up knowing each other.
That's how the gene pool got mushed up. Where we
Right.
it's true.
That's our tiny gene pool of Ashkenazis. Okay,
Right, that's why we have the Ashkenazi genetic panel that we have that multiplies every year.
Okay, Louisa, your hands up.
Thank you.
Nice.
Krova in Hebrew means female relative. If it were a male relative, it would be karov also. Or krovim,
Sí, he leído el
in
email.
the plural, so it's definitely relative.
Ciao.
Okay, Steve has his hand up.
Yeah, I'm just I'm throwing in a little bit of favor for the cousins marrying because my parents are first cousins.
Oh, no wonder you're the way you are.
See? Exactly. Anyway, I mean, it is perfectly legal in halakha for first cousins to be married. I'm, so I think it worked out okay for me. So I'm good
And
with it.
actually, that whole genealogy thing about DNA and whatever about cousins is a myth.
Oh, yeah, absolutely.
Yeah, it's not true. Okay, Morty.
Yes, I have a similar story. My grandfather on my mother's side was lived in they lived in Erstetel in Galicia, and he left the house because his mother didn't like his wife. She was very much because she was not a cousin. One of his brothers had married a cousin, and he was the favorite, and he was handling all the businesses of the father. So the two other brothers left the town because there was no future for them within the family. In the end, both the ones that left, of course, survived, and the other one perished in the Holocaust with the whole family.
Okay, Elaine?
Yeah, I want to ask Mariv, what is the myth about first cousins?
Oh, this whole thing that if you intermarry too closely, you have disease or, body problems,
Genetic stuff.
Genetic is what I want to say. It's not true. It's not true.
Really? I think that it's okay for one generation, maybe two generations, but if you keep going, that's when you have the problems.
Well, then you get inbred, so you don't get fresh
right
input. Yeah.
Right.
But yeah. Anyway, Marcia has her hand up.
Cousins in my family married, and they had a problem, but you never know, Maury. Sometimes they're
if you both have a bad gene, it's more likely to,
because they
to keep going. But
now you know
because the child, and then the second child, the third one, they were more aware.
Hey, Baba Mises.
No, it has to do with recessive genes. It's not a
That's
Baba
right.
Misa. You
It's
do
not
have an increased probability of
recessive
having.
genes, absolutely, and you have a higher chance of having two recessive genes.
Right.
That is true, but you have the same probabilities generally. When you go out into the world and you mate with whomever, you have no idea what kind of probabilities you're getting with that person, and there's no. I mean, there are things that carry through genes that may or may not carry through relatives marrying. I mean, I do understand that the continual, I don't know what to call it exactly, the continual closure of families can ultimately, create issues. But in general, anybody mating with anybody, it's you don't know what kind of explosions you're going to get.
Okay, Cookie is dying to speak. Go ahead, Cookie.
First of all, that's why you should have a medical checkup before you marry somebody to see what's in their bloodstream. That would be a very good idea. Usually have to take a Wasserman test or something.
No, it's much more than that. You have to have genetic testing. You need genetic testing.
In the Hasidic community, I remember reading several years ago, there's a
I also,
registry.
wait, I didn't finish.
Sorry.
A bissel credit too.
Sorry.
What do you call it? I had an aunt who was in love with her.
Let Cookie
I had an
finish.
aunt who was in love with her nephew. The nephew was a year and a half older than she was, because my Bubby kept having children after her eldest daughter was having children. So my father, who was uncle to this man, was 6 months younger than his nephew. So the aunt was in love with him. The Orthodox religion, an uncle can marry a niece, but an aunt cannot marry a nephew. Why is that? I have to ask the rabbi why that is.
Okay, Elaine, hold on. Henrietta, did you want to say something? Henrietta?
Yeah, let's read the story.
Okay. Elaine, do you have a comment that's
No,
not...
I was just going to say that I read a while ago that in the Hasidic community, where there's a lot of, I'll say in marriage, they keep an anonymous registry.
That's right.
They do genetic testing because they do have a high incidence of the recessive genes meeting, and they have to know who has, who's carrying Tay-Sachs and who's carrying, all the Jewish genetic diseases, and they do check before they make a shidduch.
Yeah, they do.
Did you guys check before you married? Did the people here in this group check before they married? Like the
I did.
Ashkenazi?
Yes, because I married somebody who was an Ashkenazi.
Right, so did I. I did the panel, and I cried when I got the results because I had the Tay-Sachs gene. Luckily, my husband had none of them, so it worked
did
out.
your children get tested? Because the chances might be that they're carrying, even if they don't have Tay-Sachs.
Right.
Okay, you guys.
Highly recommended to check for Tay-Sachs.
People, that's not really relevant. So let's go back. Okay?
Let's go on. Anyway, all of us Ashkenazi are so closely related, it's crazy. So, all right.
Let's go back.
Yeah.
Where are we?
Here at the top of the page.
And did I call
right here at the top of the page?
I know. Karen or no, you're not there. Gold. Is she there?
See, I really can't look easily.
Okay, so Louisa, could you read Louisa?
Und sie hat winkendig.
Right. Winking, I guess.
Right. Gelacht. Gelacht mit spitzige Augen. So she, say that again?
Yeah.
Wink, what did you say? What was the word?
Winking.
Laughed with
what did you say Weinendick means?
What would be spitzige with light?
Winking. W-I-N-K. Wink.
Yes, winking.
Okay, and spitzige?
Sharp eyes.
Piercing
is good.
Piercing eyes.
Euch die Dienst hat angeheben zu mir reden mit der Wunk. Also the maid started talking to me with a
wink.
With a wink.
Yeah.
Und mein Reus avec. That I don't know how to translate. Und mein Reus avec.
Ru, rest, ru.
Oh,
my peace.
Took my peace away?
Yeah.
Yes.
He's losing control. He's losing control.
Mir hat sich als gedacht, as Reisel, we all thought?
No.
Reason?
It occurred to me.
It occurred to me.
Gedacht.
It's gedacht, okay. Yeah, I didn't see the dalet, yes.
Real
So it occurred to me as Reisel is gekommen zu mir, that Reisel came to me. Ich hab vergessen on die alle Jahren, and I have forgotten all those years, was hab sie nicht gesehen, that I had not seen her. Mir hat sich ausgewiesen, we have learned or found out, as die Süße schon von unser junger Liebe mit die als
alle
mit alle Zwogen
Die alle.
slow
die alle Zwogen sind gewesen erste Nächten. So I'm going back to as the Süße schon, as so that the sweet hours von unser junger Liebe from our young love mit die alle I think I need help there with mit
Zusagen.
Promises.
With all the promises, then even they were first yesterdays.
It seemed like it was just
yesterday.
yesterday.
Only yesterday.
Oh, okay, as if it were yesterday.
Yeah.
Una Zappoldike der Wartung. Okay, I think I need help there too. Zappoldike der Wartung and somehow wait.
A quivering maybe in his heart.
Expectation, would it be the other one? Quivering expectation.
Yeah.
Hat mich angefühlt, filled me.
That was a hard one.
Mir hat sich gedacht, I thought, als euch Reisel wart mit Umgeduld, that also Reisel waits with patience, I suppose.
Impatience.
Not patient.
Impatient.
Anxious.
Thank you. Euch der Minute by the minute?
Yes. Until this minute, probably.
Until the minute.
Wenn sie wird bleiben mit mir allein, when she will be alone
with me.
Zufall zu mir mit ihr ausgebänkten Nephil. So, Zufall would she sort of fall on
Longing
with the longing, yeah.
Longing,
feeling. All with longing, ausgebänkten longing, Nephil.
Gefühl, feeling.
Feeling.
I think that my computer doesn't.
She was hot to trot.
Okay.
She was hot to trot.
Etwas wird geschehen. So something will happen.
Unusual.
Unusual, extraordinary.
Some extraordinary.
Okay.
Extraordinary is about to happen.
It's very, to sum it, maybe we have to read it in one piece. So please, Luisa, don't be cross, but Rafael, if you can just, do it together so we will understand what's going on.
Yeah, but this paragraph is all in his mind.
Yes.
He's imagining. Okay. It's not what's actually happening. It's him thinking about it.
Okay. So, Rafael, can you do it, please?
The whole paragraph?
Yes, please, because it was, one sentence here, one sentence there, but didn't get it.
Sure. Let me ask that the others please mute. There's just been too many people talking over each other. All right, here we go. Und sie hat winkendick gelacht, and she laughed in a winking fashion, mit spitzige Augen, with sharp eyes. Euch, die Dienst, hat angeheuben zu mir reden, mit der Wunk. Also, the maid began to speak to me with a wink. Und mein Ruhe ist weg. and my peace and quiet was gone. Mir hat sich als gedacht. It seemed to me, notice by the way that mir is the dative of me. To me, it all seemed, as Rezel is gekommen zu mir, that Rezel was coming to me. Ich hab vergessen an die alle Jahren. I had forgotten all of the years, was ich hab sie nicht gesehen, when I had not seen her. Mir hat sich ausgewiesen, it appeared to me, as die süße Schoen von unser junger Liebe, that the sweet hours of our young love, mit die alle Zusagen, with all of the promises, sind gewen erst Nächten, were just yesterday, und a zappeldicke der Wartung, and a trembling awaiting, hat mich angefüllt, filled me up. Mir hat sich gedacht, it seemed to me, as euch Rezel wart, that also Rezel is waiting, mit Ungeduld, impatiently, auf der Minute, for that minute, wenn sie wird bleiben mit mir allein, when she will be with me, when she'll be alone with me, because after all, the Dienst is also there. Zu fallen zu mir, then she would fall on me, mit ihr ausgebänkten Gefühl, with her ausgebenkt. Benken is to long for, with her longed for feeling.
Right.
Etwas wird geschehen, außergewöhnliches, and something quite unusual would
Extraordinary is about to happen.
So again, Ezra, there's no need to talk over me.
Can you continue, Rafael?
Ja. Mein Balabuster is reingekommen. The landlady came in, sich bekennen mit mein Kräuver, to get to know my relative. Sie ist gewesen sehr freundlich. She was quite friendly. Mit Vergnügen, hat sie gesagt. With great pleasure, she said. Kennt ihr schlafen in Mittelzimmer? You can certainly sleep in the middle room. Nur bei Tag wird ihr müssen da sein. But during the day, you'll have to be here. Ihr darft euch nicht krempieren. You don't have to be, now krempieren,
Trapped.
To be in a closed up place.
Crowded.
Crowded, yeah. You don't have to be crowded. Sizdach Akarov.
Cramped.
Because she is, after all, your relative. So I guess she's saying to the man, to the narrator, don't worry that she'll be here during the
No,
day.
I think he's saying to the woman, you can move around the house. You don't have to just stay in your room.
Perhaps, yeah.
Yeah.
And she's speaking, of course, in the formal ihr. Und Rezel hat geantwortet mit a weiberisch chittre Gelächter. And Rezel answered with a womanly, sly laughter. Wer rechnet sich denn mit dem? Who's thinking about him? Für mir ist nicht kein Mannsperschein. As far as I'm concerned, he's not a male. In other words, I don't have any sexual feelings about him. Ich hab mitgelacht,
Who's speaking
laughed
in that
along with her. Dabei hab ich gesucht Rezel's Blick, and at the same time, I looked for Rezel's glance. Ihn nicht gefunden, but I didn't find it.
Okay, thank you.
Ronald had a question.
Yeah, when they're speaking about he wasn't really a man.
That's the woman speaking about
the landlady.
him.
The landlady.
No, the visitor, the cousin visitor.
Rezel.
Rezel is telling the landlady, "I don't have any feelings for him. It's not a sexual thing."
Oh, for the protagonist of the story.
Right.
He's just a relative.
Right.
Right. Okay. I don't know.
Okay, Marty, did you want to say something? Marty, did you want to add something? No, I guess not. Okay.
How about Marsha?
No, Beverly, Marsha cannot read if I'm not sending it to her in advance.
Oh, I'm sorry. Okay. How about
Josefa?
Okay.
Josefa, are you there?
Here we go. Reisel
Okay.
woont schon bei mir dem vierten Tag. Reisel stayed by me for 4 days, or the fourth day. Sie schläft in schachendicken Zimmer in the relative room, the guest room. Und nur in der Früh sehe ich sie, and I see her only in the morning. Wenn sie tut sich an, when she gets dressed, hinter mein Spanish Vinkl, behind the Spanish
Screen.
Screen, yeah.
Yeah.
Und heißt mir dabei nicht gucken oder rausgehen von Zimmer. And she doesn't call me?
No, she asks me not to look.
Oh, yeah, yes, okay. Not to look or to go in the room.
Her room.
Her room, yeah. Ich hab noch mit ihr garnished geredet. I didn't speak with her at all. Weil sie ist sehr vernommen, because she's very busy. Etwas hat sie da in Stadt Geschäften zu erledigen. Something she had something to do with, some business to do in town, to take care of?
To attend to.
Attend to? Okay.
Yeah,
sie kommt spät in Abend. She came late in the evening und ist schon gewesen in etliche Theatern. And she went out to several theaters. Bei Nacht wart ich. So at night I waited. Sie kommt spät und hitzig sehr. She comes late and guards? What?
Yes.
It's very guarded? What?
Yes.
Okay. Ich soll nicht reingehen zu ihr ins Zimmer, guarding that I shouldn't go into her room. Ich wach auf in Bett. I
wait in bed.
Waiting in bed. Wait in bed.
Awake in bed.
Und kann nicht schlafen and can't sleep. Mich matert. What's that? Matert.
Tires.
Tired?
Tires or
worse. No.
I'm sorry.
What? I'm bothered.
Bothered, tired.
Bothered. Als die Frage, all the questions. Zu was und what is this thing on here? Is that from me or you? I've got something on my screen blocking this.
It's you, because I don't have.
Oh, cleared. Okay, I got it off. Zu was und zu wem is sie gekommen? To whom and to what and to whom is she going?
No, did she come?
Did she go? Why did
she come?
Why did she come?
Okay. How about Steve? Could you continue? Steve, are you there?
Yes, Steve left.
Oh, so sorry. Okay.
Steve left. Beverly, maybe you can read.
Sure. Wait, let me just be sure. Okay, now. Ich hab schon abgerufen. Is that right?
Yes. Yeah.
Visiten. I'm not sure what he's trying to say here. I don't know how do you.
I canceled I canceled
Oh,
some
hands
visits.
abgerufen. Canceled quite a few visits. Was hab ich say lang gewart? I was waiting a long time for those visits. Weil ich will nicht, well, I don't want to, as Rezel soll treffen, bei mir a fremde Frau. I don't want Rezel to see a strange woman. Aber Rezel is sehr vernommen. But Rezel is very busy. Sie tut sich an in neue Kleiderin und verschwindet ergens. She gets dressed in new clothes and she disappears somewhere. Now, excuse my voice. Nächte bei Nacht habe ich mich eingestellt und angeklappt zu ihr. Last night, I hesitated, but I knocked at her door. Sis gewen schon spät. It was late. Rezel hat hoch ausgeschrien. She screamed loudly. Wer is? Who is it?
So just a moment, Beverly.
Yeah.
Eingestellt, I'm not sure that it's hesitated.
It's like you behind the door or
I'm not sure that eingestellt is hesitated.
I don't know.
Anyone has an answer?
No.
I think
I came across. I came across. I risked my life.
Okay, Rafael, please.
I think it means he like made himself, like he put himself in a position that he shouldn't have to.
Raphael's been patiently waiting with his hand up.
We just called on you, Steve. Where were you?
I was dealing with a computer issue. I'm glad I missed the call.
Okay, einstellen can mean to set in order. And so I think here what it means is I put myself in order. I gave myself a little bit of courage.
Yeah.
Right.
That's my guess.
Yeah.
Okay.
Wer is? Who is it? Das bin ich. It's me. Hab ich still gesagt. Oh, I quietly said it. Rezel. Was willst du? What do you want now? So spät, so late. A beze Fremdkeit hat geklungen in ihr Stimme. Angry, I don't know. How would you say Fremdkeit? Not friendly?
Yeah.
Not was in her voice, came out in her voice.
Yeah.
Unfriendly, right?
Unfriendly.
I couldn't hear whatever
It's
Hostile.
strangeness.
Strange.
Fremde, strange.
Hostile, or yeah.
Und mir ist mit einmal klar geworden. And to me, in a little while, it became clear as Rezel as Rezels kommen hat gar nichts zu tun mit mir. That Rezel's coming to this area has nothing to do with me. Merkwürdig. I don't know what that is. Moreover, anybody? What?
Markedly?
Okay. Wie in der Minute ist mir geworden schwer und a Bänkschaft zu ihr hat sich in mir a Häub getan. That's tough.
Start from here.
The minute, be in der Minute. In the minute is mir that it became to him hard and schwer. He missed her. Bänkschaft is miss, right?
Okay, longing.
What?
Longing.
Yeah.
For her.
Yeah.
Mir a Halbgetan. I'm not sure what's Halbgetan.
It grabbed me. In other words, his whole insides got that feeling of longing for her.
Mir hat sich gedacht, I thought nematert biz.
No.
Hier, as ich.
Oh, as ich hab sie in der Minute verloren, that I lost her in that minute. Und ich hab mir gemattert bis in der Früh. So it churned in my belly until the morning. That she really didn't come to see him like he thought. Okay?
Yeah, she wouldn't let him in her room. He tried knocking and she wouldn't let him in.
Okay, who wants Brenda? Do you want to read? Brenda? Is Brenda there?
I can't tell. Sorry.
I am here. I will try.
Go right ahead.
I haven't read in a long time, but I certainly will try. In der Früh ist Reisel wie gewöhnlich allein zu mir in Zimmer. So in the morning, Reisel, as usual, came to him in his room. Sie hat sich geeilt und Geschrei getan, and she hurriedly gave a call, gave a yell. Vernehm sich von deinem, weil ich darf mich übertun. So vernehm, take.
Go out.
Like, go out. Get out of here.
I'll get out of here. While I need to do something, Iberton.
Put her clothes on. She wants to use the Spanish screen to go behind the Spanish screen and put her clothes on.
Okay.
She doesn't want him in there to watch.
Change. Okay. Geh weiter oder nicht?
Sure.
Okay. Das Mal bin ich geblieben im Zimmer und sie hat sich verstellt mit dem spanischen Vinkl. So this time I stayed in the room and she hid or she stayed with Spanish
screen, the changing
Spanish
screen.
She hid behind
the Spanish screen. Okay. Das Mal hat sie das Vinkl weggestellt, nicht wie gehadet also. So this time she took the stood behind or didn't stand behind? Did not stand behind.
No. She didn't put the screen the way she used every time.
Okay, all right. So she did not put the screen the way she did every time. Also, okay. Als ich hab sie gemacht, in ganzen gekonnt sein. So this time I could see basically everything she was doing. Okay.
Yes.
Sie ist gewesen halbnackt.
Naked. Oh my God.
Okay, she was half naked. Okay. Ich bin.
Which half?
Gewesen. Eifersüchtig. Eifersüchtig zu ihr Frechheit.
Frechheit.
What does that mean?
So I was
He was jealous of her perfection.
Okay, so he was jealous of her perfection. Weil ich hab while I felt, als das hat sie nicht getan von mir, that she did not do it for me, nor therefore only then, okay, weil sie hat sich mit mir nicht gerechnet. Okay, like she did not gerechnet. Was ist gerechnet?
Deal with me, sort of.
Counted.
She didn't
Counted on me.
count on, you know.
Minne, was ist das?
Because that she didn't think he mattered.
Okay, mattered. Okay, mattered. Okay.
It mattered, not because, but you know, she didn't
Right.
see him as a male.
Right, she didn't matter to him. Okay.
Count on him.
Ich hab geguckt auf ihre, so I looked at her mächtige nakedness. So I know that's naked, but I don't know what mächtige is.
Mächtige is like, you know, powerful.
Muscular.
Power, yeah, muscular.
Oh, her nakedness.
Arms.
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 Und mir ist mit einmal geworden lästig die ganze Quemme Lage von ihr Voisik. Okay. Visit. Oh, so I became, was is lestic?
Yeah, I don't know.
I am not sure. I didn't have time to prepare.
Okay, so it became something with her whole quem.
Uneasiness.
Huh?
Uneasiness.
Uneasiness from her visit.
Okay, you want to stop here?
Situation,
I think we should stop here.
Yeah.
Okay. Es ist Lage. Was ist Lage?
Situation.
Situation.
Situation. Okay. All
I'm
right.
sorry I couldn't be from the beginning and I couldn't really prepare. I will be prepared for next time.
So let me leave this up for any questions. Ronald has a question.
Yeah,
I just wanted to make sure I understand the story right. He went to visit her in her room.
No. Oh, yes.
Yeah.
He tried.
But she was half naked, so she ran behind the curtain.
No. She came into his room where the changing screen is, and she said, "Go away, get out of the room," but he didn't leave. And then she, instead of hiding herself, she let herself be seen. You know, she didn't use the screen completely. So he's sitting there watching her dressing.
She's naked.
What about the part where he's muscular or he's feeling body?
She is muscular. I think it means she had a good figure.
Yeah. But he realizes that she just doesn't give a damn. That's why she's showing her body.
She didn't come back to be with him.
Oh, so she's not playing hard to get.
No, she didn't come back to, it didn't seem like she came back to be with him.
Right.
But she basically is using him to do something wherever she's going to do her dancing.
She needs a accommodation. She needs a place.
This is very risque.
I see. Okay.
Very real.
Well, actually, it's not. It's not going anywhere. She's not responding to him.
I think that all of you are above 18. So
Thank you.
Okay. Minne, ich hab nicht gehört. Was hast du gesagt?
That I think that all of us are above 18, so we can handle it.
He's a tease.
Any more questions on the story before I stop the share?
Well, what is lästig die ganze Lage von ihr visit? I know.
I think it became clear to him what the situation about her visit was, and it was not for him.
Does lästig mean at last?
No. I have to look it up, Elaine. I didn't
Maybe clear.
I think it might be clear.
I also thought it meant clear.
Yeah, I will look it up for next time, okay?
And Umba
Thank you.
But
Kveme.
not comfortable.
Uncomfortable.
Not
Great
comfortable.
story. Great story. Where are you, Mina?
I am back at home.
Where?
Oh.
Houston?
I am back at Houston, but I had a problem in Montreal, so okay.
Thank you for coming, though, and welcome back.
So look at me, and you will see I fail.
Hi.
I fail.
Oh my God.
And I need to go. I went to urgent care today, so to do all kinds. I just
When did you fall?
fell yesterday outside of the hotel. I fell and
Did you trip?
I think I just lost balance.
Some balance therapy and you'll do it.
Sorry?
Some balance therapy.
Thank you.
Was that before you took the plane back?
Yes.
Just some balance therapy and you'll be fine. You need to be muscular like the character in the story.
I am not the same age as her. So anyway, Morty, the story you sent me, perfect. We will read it afterwards.
Can
Glad you liked it.
I liked it. It's a very nice story.
How can I find it to review? Where can I find it? Who is that?
It gets sent to us before every meeting. So you will, if you're on the mailing list, which you need to talk to Beverly about, or Barbara.
Stella, please write your
email in the chat.
And
thank you very much.
Ronald Gates. We don't have him either.
Yeah, Ronald also. Put your email in the chat, and then all of us, and then me and
you'll get the information.
Then you will get the information.
Ronald and I will be practicing together.
Stella Bard.
And yahoo.com.
Correct. Ronald and I will be practicing the story between classes.
Okay. Okay, no problem.
Thanks.
Next week we will still. Next week we will still have this.
Okay,
story.
Ronald has his email in the chat too.
Oh, now it's just
somebody get it.
I have it.
Okay.
So where are the new?
Really hanging. I can't wait till next week to find out what happens.
Where are you all coming from? Where are you? Our new friends.
Find them.
I'm in Houston.
And I'm in Galveston.
We met at our synagogue in Galveston.
Yes, Ronnie told me about this group when we went to shul. He's our gabbai in the shul.
But Ronnie, how did you find us, Ronnie?
With Danielle. Danielle told me about it. And
yay, it's working.
I knew about it, but I'm always working. You know, now it's the summertime, and so I don't have to work at 10 o'clock or 10:30 on Tuesdays.
So is your family is your family in Houston the stone makers?
Well, the Gates family,
Right.
I have some distant cousins, like third cousins, fourth cousins who are involved in the monument business, you know, and we didn't really grow up together, but we know each other and we communicate sometimes on Facebook. And my dad, it was my dad's first cousin, then my second cousins, and so on. So yeah, I know them.